Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to quickly show us how we can solve this exponential equation. It's very tricky. I'm going to show us the easiest way to do it. Solution. We have cube root of 7x equals to square root of x. Okay, so another way we can write cube root of 7x is 7x raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, that is cube root. And then here we have x raised to power 1 over 2, that is square root. Okay, for us to cancel the cube roots and the square, what do? We multiply the powers by 6. Okay, we multiply the powers by 6, that is multiply this by 6, multiply this by 6. Alright, because that 6 is the LCM of 3 and 2. So we have 7x raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 6, and also we have x raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, now 3 here 1, 3 in 6 is 2, so we have 7x raised to power 2 equals to 2 here 1, 2 in 6 is 3, we have x raised to power 3. Okay, so what is this? It means 7 raised to power 2, x raised to power 2, right? And what is 7 raised to power 2 is 49. 49x raised to power 2, that is what this is, equals to x raised to power 3. Now let's put them together. We have x raised to power 3 minus 49x raised to power 2 equals 0. Alright, and we can factor out x raised to power 2 because it's common. So x raised to power 2, then what do we have? We have x here and we have 49 here. Everything equals 0. Okay, then this equals 0, x raised to power 2 equals 0, and also x minus 49 equals 0. Then if x squared is 0, then it means x is 0, and we take minus 49 to that side, x equals to 49. Okay, so these are the two answers, right? Normally our x should be equals to or greater than 0, and then we have 0 and we have 49. That means that both satisfy the original equation. Alright, so therefore x equals to 0 or x equals to 49. This is our final answer. Alright guys, let's do something very similar to that. Let's try this. Let's solve square root of 9x equals to cube root of x. Alright, let's solve this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.